Welcome! In this video, we will guide you through installing your new Photodon screen protector. First, ensure the installation area is clean, well lit, and provides enough space for both your device and the screen protector to lay flat. Before attempting to install your screen protector, install the test film to evaluate the effects of the film. Wipe a portion of your screen large enough to apply the test film. Then, using the protruding tab on the test film, gently pull back the bottom liner about an inch to expose the adhesive backing. Allow the exposed adhesive to touch the screen and remove the bottom liner while sealing the film to the screen using a finger or the provided squeegee. Next, remove the top liner by pulling the orange sticker. Power on your device and examine the effects of the film. When satisfied, carefully remove the test film and proceed with the installation. If you are not fully satisfied, please contact us at Photodon. Now, you will verify the size of the screen protector by removing the protector from its packaging and holding it up to the screen. There should be a gap of a 0.5 millimeter to 1 millimeter around each edge of the protector for ease of installation. After checking the fit, carefully set the screen protector aside on a clean surface. Prepare your device by turning off the power, removing any cords, cases, stands, or other attachments that might get in the way, and vacuuming the device if necessary. After it is detached and clean, lay the device screen side up in the installation area. Lay the screen protector on the screen so the side with the orange sticker is face up. If the screen protector has cutouts, slots, or corners that are not all the same shape, be sure to rotate the protector to fit the screen appropriately. Adjust the screen protector on the screen until it is centered, with the 0.5 to 1 millimeter gap even on each side. While keeping the protector centered on the screen, attach an installation sticker to the short edge closest to the protruding tab so that half of the sticker extends over the edge of the screen. After checking that the protector is still properly aligned, use one hand to hold the protector in place and the other to attach the overhanging half of the sticker to the device. Once the sticker is sealed down, you will have a hinge between the protector and the screen. Check the alignment again. If the alignment has shifted while attaching the sticker, detach the sticker from the device, realign the screen protector, and try again. When the sticker is attached properly, lift the screen protector away from the device along the hinge like turning a page in a book. Clean the device screen using the provided cleaner or wipes, then the microfiber cloth. This is your last opportunity to clean the screen before installing the protector, so take your time to remove all fingerprints, dust, and hair from the screen. You can use another installation sticker to remove any lingering dust or hair by tapping the sticker on the screen. Save the sticker by putting it back onto the wax side of the paper it came on. You are now ready to apply the screen protector. Using the protruding tab, carefully pull back the liner of the protector to expose the adhesive. For this size screen, start with about 2 to 3 inches of the adhesive exposed. While holding the back liner out of the way, begin applying the exposed adhesive to the screen. Then, use the provided squeegee to seal the screen protector to the screen while continuing to pull more of the back liner as needed. If air bubbles appear, lift the screen protector back toward the bubble while pushing the bubble with the squeegee. Bubbles with a speck in the center indicate dust or hair between the protector and the screen. These can be removed by lifting the protector to expose the speck and carefully tapping an installation sticker on the speck. It is helpful to use a marker to circle the particle on the front liner before lifting the screen protector. If the alignment appears to be off while you are applying the protector, you may need to lift the protector back to the installation sticker and reattach the stickers before trying again. After the screen protector has been fully applied and the back liner detached, use the squeegee to seal down the edges of the protector. Next, carefully remove the front liner and the installation sticker by pulling on the orange sticker. If air bubbles appear when the front liner is removed, use the squeegee to reseal the screen protector to the screen. Some small bubbles may take up to 24 hours to dissipate. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please contact our customer support team. If you found this video helpful, please like it and be sure to subscribe to our channel.